TradeGrub, life on your own terms.
Welcome to TradeGrub. Follow these simple steps to install TradeGrub on your preferred device and start trading smarter. Step 1. Scan the QR code displayed on your screen to quickly download the app. Or you can also download the app directly by visiting tradegrub.com/downloads. For iOS and Android users, we recommend the quick install option. Use our single installation link that works seamlessly for both iOS and Android. Alternatively, you can directly install the iOS app from the Apple App Store. Or, if you're on Android, download the app directly from the Google Play Store. Prefer using a browser? No problem. Visit our TradeGrub web platform and start trading instantly. No installation needed. For Mac users, install the TradeGrub app directly from the Mac App Store. Please note, Apple Silicon is required. Windows and Linux versions are coming soon. Want early access? Reach out to our support team to try the beta version.
TradeGrub is just a few clicks away. Download now and elevate your trading experience. Thank you.